This is section 4.3, and now we're going to model with quadratic functions, okay? So we're going to look more into real-life situations. You're going to get some story problem type situations here as we look at this section. So our objective here is to model data with quadratic equation. So I'm going to give you ordered pairs, some points, and we're going to be able to write an equation from that, okay? When you know the vertex and a point of a parabola, you can use vertex form to write the equation of a parabola, and that's what we did yesterday, okay? If you do not know the vertex, that's where this comes into play. You can use standard form and any 3 points of the parabola to find an equation. Okay, so you don't necessarily always have to have the parabola. Okay, so if we don't have the parabola, there is a way to write the equation. All right, so we're going to use the 3 points that we're given, okay, to form a system of 3 equations in standard form. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Last time we used vertex form, this time we're going to use standard form. The points go in for x and y, and then you need to solve for a, b, and c. You're going to see how we're going to do that in the examples. You will use either elimination or substitution to get a variable by itself. Now this goes back to Algebra 1 when you're solving systems where we have 2 variables that we have to solve for. Okay, you're going to have to solve for an a and you're going to have to solve for a b to get b by itself and a by itself. Okay, so you're going to have to use that method. And again, we'll go through examples for you to see those. Number 3, once you have a, b, and c, then you're going to substitute them in to this equation right here, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and write the equation in the standard form of your curve. It's also going to ask you to possibly give me a real question with it. For example, would this ordered pair would the ball have went through the hoop through this ordered pair? Something like that, along those lines. Okay? So that is how you are going to write an equation from your parabola, okay, or from your 3 ordered pairs. As check part 2, and that will show you the examples of how to actually come up with the equation of the parabola.